Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to simplify the algebraic expression displayed on the screen. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formulas for binomial squares. A plus minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. When I apply the formulas for each binomial square of this expression, the expression equals to 0.2 x squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times 0.2 x squared multiplied by 1/2 y squared plus 1/2 y squared in parentheses squared minus in square parentheses 1/2 x squared in parentheses squared minus 2 times 1/2 x squared multiplied by 0.5 y squared plus 0.5 y squared in parentheses squared, closing square parenthesis. When I simplify further, I get 0.04 x to the 4th power plus I can reduce 2 and 2. And this way I get 0.2 x squared y squared plus 1/4 y to the 4th power minus 1/4 x to the 4th power plus 2 and 2 cancel out, 0.5 x squared y squared minus 0.25 y to the 4th power. Next, I need to convert the fraction 1/4 to a decimal number. I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator of that fraction with 25, and this way I get 25 over 100, which is 0.25 as a decimal number. This way, my expression becomes 0.04 x to the 4th power plus 0.2 x squared y squared plus 0.25 y to the 4th power minus 0.25 x to the 4th power plus 0.5 x squared y squared minus 0.25 y to the 4th power. Next, I need to add all like terms. I have the following pairs of like terms: 0.04 x to the 4th power minus 0.25 x to the 4th power. When I add them, this equals to negative 0.21 x to the 4th power. Next pair of like terms is 0.2 x squared y squared and 0.5 x squared y squared. When I add these two terms, this equals to 0.7 x squared y squared. And then what I have left is 0.25 y to the 4th power and negative 0.25 y to the 4th power. These two terms are the same with opposite signs, therefore their sum equals to 0 or they cancel out. I can't simplify further, therefore this is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.